everyone, welcome back to our English classes of class 10, and today we are going to start a new chapter, The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. So students, before moving to the story, let us see the background of the story. The background of the story is that it gives us a contrasted picture of city and countryside. City folk have got degrees, but they lack practical experience of life. Some country folk may be illiterate, but they can take the young lawyer for a ride. Is it clear? This is a contrast picture of two sides of life. So let us come to the story, main part. Come to the narrator. The narrator was a lawyer who was too innocent. He was still fresh in the profession. So he agreed to get training. He became a junior assistant clerk in a big law firm. But he was not put to prepare legal briefs. He was sent out to serve summons like a cheap detective. He hated the job of going to dirty and dark corner of the city. He even considered going back to his hometown to practice law. So students, we have seen a fresher, a boy who has completed his law, but he got a job of junior assistant clerk in a big law firm, but he was not put to prepare legal briefs. वहाँ पे उनको बाहर भेजा जाता था विटनेस को ढूंढ के लाने के लिए जिनका कोर्ट को ज़रूरत होता था. He used to hate his job. The narrator को अपना ये जॉब पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन as a fresher he need to do his duty. One day he was told to go to a village New Meulon, some 40 miles from the city. He was to hand over court summons to a person, Oliver Lutkins. The man was needed urgently as a witness in a case. The very next day, the narrator was happy. He hoped to see a sweet and simple village, but he was disappointed. He saw only muddy streets and rows of wooden shops. But he called himself lucky when he met a delivery man at the station. His name was Bill, and he was a cart driver in dirty clothes, but his friendly manner won the narrator's heart. So students, here we have seen a cart driver, a hack driver. The title, yes, this is a cart driver who is taking the narrator to village New Meulon, and the name of the cart driver is Bill. He was very friendly manner and who owned the narrator's heart, जो कि narrator को काफ़ी impress कर चुका था, और उसका नाम था Bill. Bill was very talkative and clever fellow. He was about 40, red-faced and cheerful. He offered his service in finding out Lutkins. He seemed to know all about Lutkins and others in the village. He said Lutkins was fond of playing poker in the back of Fritz's shop. He proposed that they would drive together in his hack or cart and find the man. He demanded a good amount as fare. The cart was just a large black box on wheels. So students, nature wise Bill जो थे काफ़ी talkative थे और बहुत cheerful थे. बिल यहाँ हेल्प कर रहे थे नरेटर को लुटकिंस को ढूंढने में. वो बता रहे थे लुटकिंस को क्या पसंद है, वो क्या खेलते थे और वो कहाँ मिल सकते हैं. Bill impressed the narrator with his readiness to help a stranger. He thought that the narrator had come to collect some money from Lutkins. He said that Lutkins was always a defaulter in repaying debts. The narrator was sure of getting his man with the hack driver's help. He took Bill into confidence. He declared the purpose of his visit. He had come there to serve the summons on Lutkins. Narrator जो था वो काफ़ी सिंपल आदमी था, ऑनेस्ट था. बिल से काफ़ी इम्प्रेस्ड हो चुका था. वो सोच रहा था बिल उनको मदद कर रहा है और बिल जो है वो स्ट्रेंजर्स को हेल्प करता है. दैट मीन्स ही इज़ पोजेसिंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ हेल्पफुलनेस. So he was having a liking for Bill. So he narrated honestly why he came to that village. He was in search of Lutkins, not to collect money. He had come there to serve the summons on the Lutkins. Lutkins को ले जाने के लिए कोर्ट में. The two proceeded to Fritz's shop. The narrator was told to stand behind him and let him talk. Fritz directed them to Gust's barber shop for a shave. A customer said he had seen Lutkins walking down Main Street. They went to Gray's barber shop, then to a pool room. It was past 1 o'clock. The narrator was hungry. He suggested they should go to a restaurant for lunch, but Bill said his wife would pack up a lunch for both for just $50. They went up to Weds Hill to enjoy the view while they ate. तो narrator जो थे वो और बिल जगह जगह पे ढूंढ रहे थे किसे, लुटकिंस को. बिल जो है काफ़ी कॉपरेशन दिखा रहे थे. फ्रिट्स डायरेक्टेड देम, दूसरों से भी हेल्प ले रहे थे. लुटकिंस वॉकिंग डाउन मेन स्ट्रीट, किसी ने लुटकिंस को मेन स्ट्रीट में देखा था. दे वेंट ग्रे बार्बर शॉप, वो बार्बर शॉप पे गए, पूल रूम पे गए, जगह जगह पे ढूंढा. दोपहर का टाइम हो चुका था एंड द नरेटर वॉज फीलिंग हंग्री. बट बिल ने फिर से अपने स्मार्टनेस यहाँ पे दिखाई और क्लेवरनेस इन्हें दिखाया. ही सेड दैट हिज वाइफ विल पैक अप अ लंच फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. और वो क्या कर सकते हैं, वो वेड्स हिल पे जाके अपने लंच को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी के साथ. दे रिज्यूम देयर सर्च ऑफ ऑलिवर लुटकिंस. अ फ्रेंड ऑफ लुटकिंस सेड दैट द मैन हैड गॉन आउट टू हिज मदर्स फार्म. Bill described the old fat woman as a terror. Bill described the old fat woman as a terror. The narrator knew that Bill's help was coming for a high price, but he had no regrets. After all, he would charge the amount to the firm as they sat on the hilltop. Bill talked about all the people in the village. He described the minister's wife and the lawyer's wife. He made them all leave. He had not been to any college or city, but he had traveled around lot of countryside. बिल जो थे वो नैरेटर को पूरे विलेज के बारे में बता रहे थे, विलेज के लोगों के बारे में बता रहे थे पीछे. बट नैरेटर वॉज श्योर उनका जो टारगेट है, वो जिसको ढूंढने आए हैं, बिल उनको हेल्प कर रहा है, मदद भी कर रहा है और उनको फर्म से पैसा वापस मिल जाएगा. They resumed their search of Oliver Lutkins. A friend of Lutkins said that the man had gone out to his mother's farm. Bill described the old fat woman as a terror. She was 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick, Bill said. Eventually, Bill inquired her about her mother. Eventually, Bill brought him to Lutkins' mother. The narrator found her huge but cheerful. Bill inquired her about her son. She went into the kitchen and came out with a red, hot iron rod torch. The visitors, they beat a hasty retreat. It was a bad experience. Anyway, Bill searched the house, but Lutkins was not there. जो बिल थे उन्होंने ये बताया कि लुटकिंस जो है शायद अपनी माँ के घर पे मिलेगा. तो बिल और नरेटर जो हैं लुटकिंस के माँ के घर जाते हैं. बिल जो है नरेटर को काफ़ी कुछ बताया था लुटकिंस के मदर के बारे में कि वो सी लुक्स लाइक अ मॉन्स्टर. बट नरेटर ने जैसा ऑब्जर्व किया उनको उनकी माँ बहुत चेयरफुल लेडी लगी, बट उन्हें लुटकिंस वहाँ नहीं मिलता है. द नरेटर वॉज इन अ हरी टू कैच द आफ्टरनून ट्रेन. बिल ड्रॉव हिम टू द स्टेशन. इन द ट्रेन ही केप्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट बिल. He worried little over his failure to find Lutkins. He was so much impressed by Bill, who he found as simple, wise, and honest. He decided to return to New Mulon to practice law. But his officers and the chief took him to the task for his failure. The chief hinted that narrator would do well at digging pits. The case was coming up in the court next morning, and they needed Lutkins as witness. So the chief ordered the narrator to go back to the New Mulon with a man who recognized Lutkins. The train arrived at New Mulon. Bill was there talking and laughing with Lutkins' mother, the old tigress. It was surprising to the narrator. मतलब बच्चों, नरेटर निराश होकर वापस आ जाते हैं, उनको लुटकिंस नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन उनके जो फर्म के ऑफिसर हैं वो उनको फिर से भेजते हैं और इस बार एक दूसरे व्यक्ति के साथ भेजते हैं जो लुटकिंस को पहचानता था। तो नरेटर जैसे ही न्यू म्यूलन पहुंचते हैं, उन्होंने देखा जो बिल थे वो लुटकिंस के मदर के साथ बहुत हंसी मजाक तरीके से बातें कर रहे हैं। It was quite surprising. The narrator points Bill out to his companion. He called Bill a fine fellow who had helped him hunt for Lutkins all day. The companion had no doubt about it. Lutkins, after all, was good at deceiving people, and Bill was none else but Lutkins himself. The narrator was taken aback. He realized he had been fooled. He had to change his opinion about country people. जो नैरेटर थे वो बिल के बारे में अपने कंपेनियन को बता रहे थे। वो बता रहे थे बिल कितना अच्छा, कितना फ्रेंडली है, कितना हेल्पफुल नेचर का है। जो कंपेनियन थे उनके मन में तभी डाउट आया, क्योंकि वो जानते थे लुटकिंस जो था वो लोगों को किस तरीके से धोखा देता था। तो कंपेनियन को जो डाउट था ही बात थी। बिल वॉज नन एल्स, बिल जो था इतने देर से जो बेवकूफ़ बना रहा था नैरेटर को, वो एक्चुअल में लुटकिंस नैरेटर थे। वो शॉक हो चुके थे और वो ये समझ चुके थे कि उनको बेवकूफ़ बनाया गया। What hurts him further was when the mother and the son laughed at him as though he were a little boy. Then they lovingly begged him to go to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. Lutkins that the neighbor and his family were the only people who had not seen him the previous day. नैरेटर जो थे वो काफ़ी बेवकूफ़ बन चुके थे। किसके द्वारा? बिल के द्वारा, क्योंकि बिल ने उन्हें धोखा दिया और वो ही लुटकिंस था। So this is based on the theme that appearance are often deceptive. The hack driver was Oliver Lutkins himself, but as the narrator had never met him before, he could not recognize him. The hack driver took advantage of the situation and posed himself to be Bill. He pretended to find Lutkins for him and took him for a ride through the village. The hack driver took him to several places and spent hours with him, but the narrator could never suspect his identity. Rather, he was impressed with him and wanted to start his practice. It was only during the second visit of the narrator when he realized how Lutkins had played a prank on him. He realized that a simple and kind person was a trickster in reality. इसका मतलब जो जैसा दिखता है वो वैसा होता नहीं है। Appearances are often deceptive. हमें जो चीज़ अच्छी लगती है कोई ज़रूरत नहीं कि वो अच्छी। Let us see students what you have understood in the chapter The Hack Driver. Question 1. What job did he get after doing his graduation? Option A. Partner in a law firm. Option B. Lawyer. Option C. Senior associate. And option D. Junior assistant clerk. Yes, your correct answer is junior assistant. Question 2. How did he expect New Mulans to be? Option A. Sweet and simple. Option B. Muddy streets. Option C. Raw shops. Option D. None of the above. Your correct answer is option B. Muddy streets. Question 3. What was the man's first guess on his purpose to find Lutkins? Option A. To get money back. Option B. To present him a summon. Option C. To arrest him. And option D. None of the above. Yes, your correct answer is to present him as summon. Question 4. Where did they go for lunch? Option A. Wets Hill. Option B. Bill's home. Option C. Oliver's home. And option D. Oliver's mother's farm. And the answer is option A. Wets Hill. Students, your practice questions are given on the slides. You have to do your homework. on the regular basis. Your questions are noted down and do the answers correctly. Thank you. See you soon in our next chapter.